Y'all, I have fought the birds for weeks and weeks trying to keep nests off our porch. I was very deliberate when we built this house, but look, I think I have lost the battle. Oh my goodness. Look at those little eggs. I can't find it in my heart to bother the nest or try to move it. And look, I caught Mom or Dad one. They're watching over them. Anyways, I guess we're gonna let them be. There's my little Simeon in the door, and there's my little Lexi watching me outside. We have got little birds. I can't get the camera to focus in real good on them, but you can see the little feathers in the fur, and you can see them moving. But anyways, there they are. We'll watch them grow.